Osmo Pocket. Let's talk about it. It's our new marketing toy that we got today for blogging and vlogging and everything else that we try to do. So we have a couple other outlets that we use, cameras and GoPros and obviously our phones and drones. But we added this to our collection today. So hopefully it'll do us justice. It'll be a little less cumbersome than carrying around the GoPro. I think it's got a little bit more functionality in the GoPro with the gimbal and other things that it will do. So let's unbox it and see what it's all about. So Osmo Pocket, we bought ours at Best Buy. We bought a few other things, drone and other stuff online, Amazon or through DJI directly. But we bought this through Best Buy. We're up in Montana, so sales tax free. Probably should have got a knife, but I'll just use brute strength. Rip it open. So I would say great packaging, but it's a box with some plastic on it. And silica gel, don't need that. Alrighty, so we have so far instruction manual. Strap looks pretty tough. Adjust it, wrist strap. We've got a cord, which I'm assuming is either a docking cord or a charging cord, so I'm sure we'll find that out later. We have some connectors. So we have a connector. I believe this one is for an Android, and I'm assuming this one is going to be for Apple iOS devices, iPad, iPhone. It's used for, well, this is packaged really well. Very difficult to get undone. All right, anyway. So this is for the, we'll use it for our iPhones. And then we have the Osmo Pocket itself. Initial impressions. It's got a nice little protective case that it goes in. Looks like a strap. So we got it right here. It says remove before powering on. So some foam to keep it secured while in travel. And a screen protector. I like the way it feels. It's small, but feels, you can feel it's got some weight to it, so it doesn't feel like it's cheap. This also says, when using it for the first time, follow the steps to the DJI Mimo app. Okay, so obviously we're gonna have to download the Mimo app. So we'll give that a shot in a second before powering on. But overall first impressions, I like it. We'll download the app and then come back to you. So we're going to pull this off. We're going to put our iPhone adapter on. Make sure it's on all the way. It clicks in. We're going to power on the phone. Oops, I clicked the wrong language. We'll have to change that. Let me go ahead and turn that off and start over again because I don't want it to get locked in Chinese on that one. Alright. So we're going to open up the app. Plug it in. Turn it on. We want English. Device not activated, okay. We're going to agree. Activate. Hardware module needs to be activated the first time the camera is connected. When activated, you will have a 1-year warranty, okay. Upload device information. Okay. Please activate after login. Okay, we're gonna do the login. Go to DJI. Confirm your activation account. Camera information will be linked to your account. Will serve as a basis. Please confirm the account information is correct. Yep, we got our information. Activating. Beginners. Activation success. Osmo Pocket. Okay, so you can go through the notice for beginners. Putting in the SD card. So we want to insert a micro SD card before shooting. We want to press and hold the power off and on. It goes through the steps. You can go through those yourself. Adjust the gimbal tilt manually if you'd like. Touch screen. There's two microphones, one in the middle and one on the bottom. And we're done. Downloading firmware. Okay. We have Verizon, so it goes pretty darn quick. We've been happy with that. Submitted successfully. I'm assuming it's ready to go now, but I don't know. There we go, it readjusted down, left, right, okay. We want to flip the camera around. Hello, hey look, we got a videoer up here. Let's see, where's she at? There's my filmer.
Hello.
And we're done for now. Play with it later and come back with an official review. So wait for that. Our new toy.
What kind of toy?
We're on the bed, so it's obviously a Osmo Pocket. All right, let's start again.